Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volvo V40 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Safety is key, so ensure your engine is off and the parking brake is engaged before you begin. Next, identify the specific headlight unit that needs attention. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Taking these initial steps will save you time and effort later on, making the entire task much simpler to complete. Now let's access the bulb. You'll find two retaining clips on top of the headlight unit. Gently remove these. Once the clips are out, carefully pull the entire headlight unit forward. It should slide out of its housing with a little effort. With the unit free, locate the electrical connector at the back and disconnect it. This gives you full access to the bulb housing, making the next steps much easier to manage. With the headlight unit out, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the bulb holder and twist it counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. When inserting the new bulb, be careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the new bulb correctly and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated properly. This ensures a good connection and proper light output. Finally, let's put everything back together. Twist the bulb holder clockwise to secure the new bulb in place. Reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks firmly. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its housing until it's flush. Reinsert the two retaining clips to secure the unit. Test your new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.